Alright, today I'm going to show you how you can remove the inside panel card for this Mini Cooper 2003. So we're going to need a ratchet with an extension with T30. Okay, we have three screws. We have one on the top and two at the bottom. Okay, make sure you take all the screws out so don't lose them. Now we're gonna use this plastic removing tool, but you can use a screwdriver or something smooth to go between the door and the panel card. Okay. Okay, as you can see, we have to remove this small cover as well, because we have here under that cover have one screw. Okay, now let's continue. And now just lift up the panel card. Just pull it out like that. And now lift it up. That's it.